What's going on, guys? It's Chaos Hunter here. Today I'm back to the new unboxing video with one of the best budget gaming headsets. Right now this EKSA gaming headset on Amazon is $33.99 at the time of this recording, and this has a 7.1 surround sound and is compatible with PlayStation, PC and Mac, and it also has a 24 months warranty. And guys, also you can see over here is RGB lights. Nearly all gamers love RGB lights. So guys, let's get into the unboxing now. So guys, first of all, I'll just show you around the box. So over here it has the actual headset, the user guide and the carry pouch. And over here it says the 7.1 surround sound, and it says it has the noise cancelling microphone, and it has comfortable premium memory foam earmuffs. So guys, let's open this up now. So guys, first of all, in the box I can see the pouch. It's obviously not real leather, but the material feels quite nice. And it's got the user manual. So let's just put these two stuff to the side for now, and let's open up the headset. So taking the headset out from the pouch, it's got the USB, and it's got braided wire, and the wire is pretty long. Over here it's got the volume up and down, and it's got the mute button here. So over here's the actual headset, and if I squeeze it, to me it looks quite comfortable, but I would first want to try it. And here is, you have to pull it down and you can adjust it, and so you can adjust this as well. So guys, I'm going to quickly try these, see how comfortable they are, and come back to you with how comfortable they are. So guys, after using it for a little while on my PC, it felt very comfortable, and the audio quality was quite good for a budget as well. And you'll probably think it's not really a budget one with the audio. And guys, now let's go move on to the pros and cons. So guys, moving on to the pros and cons now. So with the pros, this gaming headset doesn't have no driver to it, it's just a plug in and play. It's got a 7.1 surround sound, and it's got a noise cancelling mic. The earmuffs are quite comfortable, and you can get this headset in two different colours. You can get it in green, which I have, and you can get one in grey. It's got RGB lights, so over here it adds a nice touch to the headphones. And it's got a quite nice pouch, so if you're travelling, maybe going to a mate's house, and you can take this with you. And it's got volume adjustment, so that's pretty good. And it's got the mute mic, and this braided cable is quite good, and which is 2.2 meters long. The cons, well, it's not really much of a con to me, but it isn't compatible with Xbox, so it might be Xbox's fault because they only like the headphone jack ones. But other than that, there's nothing really to say about the cons, and overall it's really good, and really good for the price you're getting it at. You won't really feel any difference between any other gaming headsets. And yes, it's quite a good bargain for the headset. So guys, for this gaming headset there'll probably be a 10 or 20% link in my description, so you can go use that. If not, this gaming headset's $33.99, so it's very cheap and it's very good. And guys, thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you lot in the next unboxing video. And don't forget to subscribe to my second channel.